Tonight in the Delphi murders case, a new round in the battle between the defense team and the judge.
Defense attorneys tonight say they must be able to call Judge Frances Gull as a witness, so she should step down from this case. The defense team claims she has information that helps them prove law enforcement acted in bad faith, if not outright lied.
Also in today's 21-page filing, the defense detailed how it claims the judge is biased against them.
So they said they again plan to ask for cameras in every hearing during this trial, looking for transparency and to better preserve the record. Richard Allen, as you know, is scheduled to be tried this fall for the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German. And this trial is still 4 months away, and yet the costs of this case are really climbing.
Our senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel's on the case and joins us now with the latest numbers, which now have grown to more than $500,000.
The murder trial for Richard Allen has been delayed until October, and the longer this legal process drags on, the higher the costs. Allen has been behind bars for nearly 20 months awaiting trial. He has court-ordered public defenders who are representing him, which means Carroll County taxpayers are paying for his defense. 13 Investigates has learned Judge Frances Gull has so far approved about $443,000 to be paid to his defense team. The judge's staff did not break down that number for us, but it likely includes payments to Allen's lawyers, their legal staff expenses, and experts hired to prepare the defense. Most expenses for the prosecution are already built into the budgets for the Carroll County prosecutor and law enforcement. But 13 News has learned the prosecutor has spent an additional $183,000 to prepare its case, according to the county auditor. Altogether, at least $637,000 have been spent on the case through early June. 13 News legal analyst Katie Jackson-Lindsay says that number will go much higher once the trial actually begins, because the jury will be sequestered for more than a month, which is very expensive.
Those people have to be housed, those people have to be fed. Because they're being sequestered, that's 3 meals a day. You also have to consider transportation. The jurors are going to have to be transported from whatever hotel location they're in to the courthouse each day. So that's the expense of maybe a charter bus. So I think that will be the majority of the expense.
We do know Carroll County planned for about $2.1 million in total expenses related to the Delphi murders trial. With just over 20,000 residents in Carroll County, that translates to about $100 for every man, woman, and child in the county. 13 Investigates will continue to track the spending as well as all the new legal developments in Delphi. I'm Bob Siegel, 13 Investigates.
So here's what's next in this case. At some point, we'd expect a hearing on several critical issues. That hearing was canceled back in May.
You can follow all the developments from the start of the case on our website. All you have to do is follow the QR code. We have it there on your screen, or go to WTHR.com/Delphi.